Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today we are going to do an unboxing video and we will unbox this one. And before we do that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Let's open this and see what we got. We have a book, Basic Illustrated Wilderness First Aid. First of all, I want to talk a little bit about the cover of this book. First of all, I love that photograph on this book. It's high quality and professional photo. And I like the yellow color they have in the background as well. And this book is written by William W. Forgey, medical doctor. So on the back side, you have a lot of text. And it says, "Make adventure your story." Basic illustrated books are information-packed tools in a heavily illustrated, richly designed contemporary 4-color format. I like that. Written for the novice, but great as a handy reference for the veteran as well. These highly useful guides distill years of knowledge and into affordable and portable packages. Whether you're planning a trip or thumbing for facts in the field, Basic Illustrated books show you what you need to know. And the next section on the back says, "Learn how to assemble an outdoor first aid kit of essential items, soothe bites and stings, treat hot and cold injuries, wrap sprains, fractures and dislocated joints, handle backcountry emergencies until professional medical help arrives, understand the current Boy Scouts of America Wilderness First Aid curriculum." I really like the sound of that. So let's open it and see what we got in this book. First of all, you have on this page injury reference chart on this side, and on the other side, this side, it says illness reference chart. So that's really nice, and these pictures are really awesome in my opinion. Nice and clear. That is what we want, okay? You don't want blurry pictures. Chapter 1, Initial Survey. It mentions secure the scene, airway, circulation, severe bleeding, neck. So, and we have chapter 2, Focused Survey. That says vital signs, physical examination. Chapter 3, shock. Chapter 4, difficulty breathing. Chapter 5, heart attack. And you have really beautiful pictures. One beautiful photo, and you have those awesome pictures on this side, which is really beautiful. That says adult 1 person rescuer CPR rescue breathing. And chapter 6, fever, pain, itch, and a beautiful picture photo And you have these beautiful photos on this side, which is really nice. I like that. And chapter 7 is Wilderness Wound Care. Cuts, bleeding. And you have actually a table here. Types of protective gloves. Glove type, latex, nitrile, vinyl. Barrier protection, strength, durability, elasticity, puncture resistance, fit, comfort, protein, allergy, cost. Latex, excellent on strength and durability and barrier protection. Elasticity, excellent. Puncture resistance, excellent. Fit, comfort, excellent. Protein, allergy, high. Cost, low to moderate. Nitrile is excellent on barrier protection. Strength, durability, excellent. Elasticity, good. Puncture resistance, excellent. Fit, comfort, excellent. Protein allergy, none. Moderate to high. Vinyl, fair to poor on barrier protection. Strength, durability, poor. Elasticity, poor. Puncture resistance, poor. Fit, comfort, fair. Protein allergy, none. Low to moderate. So that is really interesting information, actually. And they have also a picture here on a cat combat application tourniquet. Frictions, blisters, thermal burns. And you have a nice picture on an adult and an infant, okay? Or a toddler. Abrasions, puncture wounds, bruises, fish hook removal. In chapter 8, bone and joint injuries, sprains, fractures, dislocations, managing acute joint injuries, general principles, dislocations, fractures, diagnosing and treating bone and joint injuries. Well, it's elbow injuries, forearm injuries, wrist injuries, hand-finger injuries. It's really nice, actually. Thigh bone fracture, dislocated kneecap, knee sprains, dislocations, fractures. Chapter 9, head injuries, neck and back injury management, assessing spinal injury, immobilizing the spine. Chapter 11, the eye, or the eyes, smoke or insect repellent irritations, foreign body in eye, the eye patch, and they have beautiful pictures here and one beautiful photo here. Eye abrasion, pink eye, and ear, swimmer's ear, middle ear infection, foreign body in the ear. Chapter 13, nose, foreign body in the nose, nosebleed. Chapter 14, teeth, mouth, cavities, loose tooth, broken tooth, lost tooth, mouth laceration. Chapter 15, abdominal problems, nausea and vomiting, heartburn, motion sickness, diarrhea, water purification. Chapter 16, high altitude illness, acute mountain sickness, AMS, high altitude pulmonary edema, HAPE, high altitude cerebral edema, haze. Chapter 17, cold and heat injuries, hypothermia, frostbite, immersion foot, and a picture on frostbites. Not the most beautiful thing to look at, but heat cramps, heat exhaustion, heat stroke, prickly heat, sunburn. Chapter 18, lightning. Chapter 19, insects and arachnids. Anaphylactic shock allergic reactions. That is a serious condition, actually. That is life-threatening. No-see-ums and biting gnats. Black flies, mosquitoes, ticks. I don't like ticks. Caterpillar and millipede reactions, centipede bites, ant or fire ant, scorpion sting. Lucky for us, we don't have scorpions here. Spider bites, black widow, brown recluse. Snake bites, chapter 20. No poisonous snake bite, poisonous snake bite. Chapter 21, wilderness first aid kits. Personal kit and group kit. They have divided in the personal kit is here and the group kit is on the right side. And you have down here optional items. And then we have the Appendix A, BSA, Scouting America, WFA lesson outline. Introduction time 30 minutes. Patient assessment initial and focused. Patient assessment 1 initially primary assessment scene size up. Third time 30 minutes. Patient assessment 2 focused secondary assessment. That is 2 hours considering to this. Chest injuries 30 minutes. Shock and heart attack 30 minutes. Head, brain and spine injuries, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Bone and joint injuries, 2 hours. Wounds and wound infection, 2 hours. Allergies and anaphylaxis, 30 minutes. Abdominal problems, 30 minutes. Submersion incidents, 30 minutes. Wilderness first aid kits, 15 minutes. Appendix B is evacuation guidelines. I'm not going through that. It's a lot of thing to go through, so I will not do that. And then we have the index where you can look up whatever you need to know and search for the certain page. So that's all for today's unboxing, guys. And thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching and your support. I appreciate it. And remember, be part of the solution, not the problem. Strength and honor. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And that's all for today. ShadowScoutSwede out.